Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need admin privileges first, so run an elevated command prompt right away. Once open, you're in control of services and PowerShell commands from CMD. Make sure Windows Update has no pending reboots; those can block service changes. Now, inspect current Defender status quickly with SC query WinDefend. This shows whether the service is stopped. If you see stopped, move to the next step. If it's running, you may only need to enable real-time monitoring using a PowerShell call via CMD. Start the Defender service from the admin CMD. Type SC start WinDefend and press Enter. If that fails, try net start WinDefend as an alternative. Once the service runs, you'll enable protection settings. From CMD Run, PowerShell command, setmp preference disable real-time monitoring $false, which tells Defender to turn on real-time scanning. This dual approach, service plus preference, ensures Defender is both running and actively protecting files and processes. Once done, verify health. From admin CMD run SC query WinDefend, it should report running. Then run PowerShell command getmp computer status to confirm real-time protection is true. If protection isn't active, make sure no third-party antivirus is installed or still registered with Windows Security, because that can suppress Defender. If commands are denied, reboot and rerun as admin. As a final troubleshooting tip, temporarily uninstall or disable conflicting AV, reboot, then repeat the start and setmp preference steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.